I found the ultimate Michaels 13-cent clearance, and in this haul, I'm going to show you everything from home decor to craft supplies that cost me exactly 13 cents each. I'm so excited because 13 cents is way better than Dollar Tree prices, and just to put it into perspective, I got 7 of these beautiful pink ribbons. They're about 1.5 inches by 30 feet. They're wired ribbon, and this costs all this. 7 of these cost me about 91 cents, so less than $1. I'm showing you the exact items that I scored and sharing my ideas for DIY projects. So when I have a lot of the same ribbon, I'll take an entire spool and make pre-made ribbons, and that's easy to do with a twisty tie and then a cabochon for the center. These pre-made bows will be great for your baked goods, your Happy Mail, and your gift wrapping. Here's the secret price strategy reveal. So I know the tag says clearance, but usually these are not found where the clearance bins are at. You're going to have to check in with your store. At my particular store, it's like an Easter egg hunt. I've seen them at the back by framing, in the middle of the aisles, at the front of the store. It's always a different location. Under normal circumstances, it is sold as $10 per grab bag or $10 per grab box. So here's the secret to the 13-cent price. At my store, I'm guessing they couldn't move it fast enough that they offered it 3 for $10. So I bought 6 because these are huge boxes, and that was a really great deal. So each box came out to $3.33. This one box had 25 items in it, so that makes it 13 cents per each item. Unboxing home decor and candle holders. So basically, I don't really use candles, but look at the price on these, you guys. For one of these, it's $19.99. That's almost $20. And then one that's a little bit larger is $22.99. And I don't really use candles, but I'm not mad at it because I can definitely turn it into something else, like a tablescape, any type of theme that you want. At first glance, this might look out of place, like what am I looking at right now? But I was thinking that we don't have a Party City in our area anymore, and a lot of the party supplies that you pick up nowadays are made out of cardboard, and they are expensive. So I want to make good use out of this. So each of the candle holders were 13 cents. I added a little Hello Kitty cabochon, frames, ribbon, and mixed craft finds. So this frame looks exactly like the candelabras. It looks like it could be an entire set. So this one was normally $19.99. I basically just put some Hello Kitty paper on the inside and then a cabochon at the top. And as you can tell, everything is getting tied together. It's kind of like a birthday party type theme. These mystery boxes are always so super fun because I don't really know what I'm going to do with them until I actually start working with them. And just let me put into perspective, these 3 items were only 39 cents. So if you had a throw party, I guess that's the theme I'm going with. We're going to go with a birthday party theme, and it's all going to get tied together at the end of the video. But 39 cents, it costs us way more just to buy one balloon. So this is really cool. And like I said on my previous video, there is a part 1. If you are interested, I'll leave it towards the end of this video. But I unboxed all the items in there, and there's still more. So we have ribbon. It came with this beautiful pine cone ribbon, normally $13.99. The larger spool ribbon, those are normally $25.99. There's a pink snowflake ribbon and this XO thing that I still need to paint, and all the painting projects will be done on a separate video as well. So this would be cute as a decor piece in a bookcase after it's painted. And then I just wanted to say that the glass from here came from the picture frame, and then the picture frame glass I replaced with acetate. DIY hack, turning a photo box into a stereo. So technically they call this a mailbox, and I got a few of these in my grab box. So I got one large one, and then I got 2 different smaller ones. So I had 2 of the red and 3 of the pink. Normally all 5 of these items would cost me $31.94, but at 13 cents a piece, it was only 78 cents. Again, less than $1. You have a few options here. One, you can kind of just leave it as is, use it as a storage container. Number 2, you can decorate the top of it. You just cut strips of, I only cut like 4 strips of rectangular cardstock, and that covered the top of it nicely. Number 2, if you want to create what I did, like a little boombox stereo system with a Hello Kitty theme, I basically just kind of drew out my plan a little bit, and then I used all paper punchers on this. So just going to give you a really easy, quick tutorial if you're interested in following along with this, or even just a photo box would work as well. So 1, just cover the top. 2, I basically used some concentric circle paper punches, and I alternated in black cardstock and gray cardstock, and I put that in the center to kind of like represent the cassette tape inside the boombox, and then I backed that onto some red cardstock, which is also really nice because it kind of covers the inside of the box as well. And then moving back to the front of the boom box, there is little squares. That was from a paper puncher. That will be kind of like your buttons. And then at the top, I used another paper puncher for some rectangles. And I just kind of thought that's kind of like your AM, FM little thingy at the top right there. And then I put a Hello Kitty capuchon, and you can create a little handle for it, and then you have your boom box. So it is kind of like a decorative piece, storage, or you can also use it as a gift box. Put some tissue paper and your gift, and it looks super fancy. Your own personalized Hello Kitty gift box. And they do also have, again, the smaller ones, which I think I might turn into like little cassettes. And I do want to say that I did kind of build one of these little boombox things a long time ago. I believe the cutting die for this one was from KS Craft. It was nice because it had like the speakers and the knobs and all that really nice stuff to put on there. But I just didn't want to look for that piece during this time. So a lot of the first one is it's just all from scratch. So I think that's a really fun tutorial to do. And since it's dealing with shapes, it's really easy to kind of put together as well. But if I was using it as a gift box, I don't think I'd put the handle on there. So I think that would look just as cute as well. So this would make a really cute gift set. You can put other things in the little cassette boxes. But, you know, in general, I just want to show you guys everything so far. I mean, from that $3.33 box, on this table, you see actually 5 items. We have the gift box or the photo box. We have the frame, the 2 candle holders, and we have 2 of the pink ribbons. All that started all of this was only 78 cents. And that is way cheaper than you would find at the store. And so all the other stuff, you could do like handmade bracelets, you can do some little cute little table scatter. So it's really fun. It's cute. Now, who is going to go to Hello Kitty's birthday party, you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. But can you believe there is still more to this grab box, like these 2 gingerbread ribbon, and then there's also this tree bow, which is actually just a jumbo huge bow that has a clip on the back, so this is really cute. This is normally $17.99. This is another big project idea that kind of ties everything together, because in the box there was also a heart plushie wreath that is normally $24.99, and as you can see right here, they actually use a little wooden base on the back, and I do think I might have to sew that little piece right there. You can decorate this with some lightweight cake toppers or knickknacks. You can also use capuchons. Here you see like the Hello Kitty version because we're sticking with the theme, Hello Kitty and Friends. And then also, if you wanted to, it doesn't necessarily have to be Hello Kitty. It can be gingerbread inspired as well. So this is really cute. You can also use plushies on here, like Hello Kitty or any of your TY Beanie Baby type stuff. But this is by far my most favorite design. There is a Christmas ornament in the center, and then it's lined with some beads, and I just think that that is so super cute. It looks perfect for winter, Valentine's Day, or just kind of like your everyday wreath. It's really cute and really fun. So let's look at the total value versus what I paid. Everything for all the 25 items came out to $351.80. I only spent $3.33 on the entire box, which gives me a total savings of $351.75. So I guess everything kind of ties together. We have the Hello Kitty theme birthday party bundle for $3.33. If you click on this video right here, this is going to show you box number 1. Also same kind of style where I have and show you each of the items and then the project that I made with them. And also let me know in the comments down below, which project should I film next? Should I continue on with box number 3 or move on to a Hobby Lobby haul?